So we're gonna wait 5 minutes, guys. It says the event monster mash, I don't know, something like that. We're gonna wait a bit, guys. Let's see what seeds is in stock. Let's see. I have a lot of bamboo, guys. So this, yeah, that's how I farm bamboo, guys. How about the repair shop? Let's see. Turn gun, okay, basic sprinkler. That's it. Whatever. This X. So we're gonna wait 5 minutes. Grow a garden as protein blocks. Yeah. Just reached 7 million players active, guys. So yeah, it's broken the world record of 5 million. We got a lot of discrimination, guys, like this speech right here. This Disco Celestial Frozen Shop. I like how they add this small update, guys. Then over here we have a big disco area. This one too. Zoran. Okay, that's good. Sorry, wait, it's about to start. That's good. And portraits. Yeah, Grow a Garden or Roblox might crash, guys. I'm starting to lag, guys. It might broke Roblox. See the message here. Like if I check play, it won't appear, guys. Oh, see this, the chat filters can experience issues in message may be slower to appear. So yeah, that's what it was. This update might crash Roblox, guys. I don't know. Alright, guys, it says 1 minute and then the monster mash is gonna start the event, guys. So yeah, let's wait. And then the update here is 15 minutes left. Yeah. This is gonna be a massive update, guys. See, restock again. Oh, it's gonna restock in 40 seconds. There's a lot of rich people right here, guys. I'm the low billionaire here. Oh, we got a Disco Durian and it's big. Let's go. That's what we're talking about, boy. What's this? Let's harvest this blueberry, guys. I'm doing a quest in the girl shop. What's this? Don't accidentally harvest the bamboo. That's alright. So the shop, that's our shop location, guys. Oh, we got a discrimination in our page. Let's go. Disco Celestial Fortune Shop. I like how it shows the mutation, guys. It's a cool update. Yeah, I like it. Oh, we got it on Mango too. See the mutation. Bro, come on, man. Bro, come up. Disco Celestial Frozen Shop. That's a good mutation, guys. Here it is. The Monster Mash. Yo! God. Time the Monster Mash. Damn. Let's go, guys. Jeez. You gonna dance here? Like, bro. Then. Only 1 minute. Okay, let's wait here. And the massive update. Okay, let's wait here. See the gear shop. Show me the gear shop. Throwing gun. So, basic sprinkler. It's good. How about the seeds? They are back up. 25 seconds left. Let's go. Let's see the seeds. There's any good seeds? No. Right. Bro.
It's lagging too much.
10 seconds, guys. Legend Joy is in the house. Or what? 5 seconds left.
The voice. Music.
5 seconds left. Much time.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Is there gonna be a cutscene? Like the last time? Sadly, I didn't get it, guys. Yeah. I missed the last update. The chicken jockey one. Or chicken zombie. Record Monster Mash. Yo. Just got a Monster Mash Potion Trophy.
Who's
that?
What's
that? Like trophy? Bro, what is it called? Is it called? What is it called? Monster Mash. Bro. What?
Mine.
Let's see. What did it give? I have so much in my inventory, guys. No. Okay, 10 minutes left till the update. Yeah, let's wait. Alright, guys, it's 3 minutes left. This is gonna be a massive update. And I already done the Alquest 2 times. Yeah. The other account has an event going, but this server has an event going. Yeah, my other account is getting lucky by the events Disco and Thunder, guys. Like 2 times Disco and 1 time Thunder. Alright, within 15 minutes, reset is alive. Crazy how this game got 8.3 million players, guys. This is crazy. It broke most of the records, guys.
You.
See the stuff? Well, without the way. No stop. Okay. Let's wait. 1 minute left, guys. See if we have more disco mutations. What's this? Disco Watermelon. Okay,
You.
up here. What's this? There's like 50 seconds left, guys. It might crash, bro. It might crash. I have a lot of money, guys. Wait, let me give this guy up. Only. Bro. Bro. It's 10, 9, 8,
Go to the
7,
pet shop.
6, 5, 3, 2, 1.
Yo.
Cosmetics. Okay, let's see, guys. What's in here?
Yo, what the bro?
There's a lot of stuff here. Sign crate, blue whale, cooking pot, yellow umbrella, white bench.
Go to the seeds. What is the seed, bro? You're nothing. Wait. This.
No new seeds. It's unfortunate.
Your garden. Look for me. Look of your garden, bro.
No, what? Can't find that. I don't even have a Robux. Wait, let me buy a thing here. Let's buy this. No. Well, I can design with this. Okay, so that's all the event, guys. I don't know if it give me a free stuff. So yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.